Welcome all. This video gives a brief introduction to Matlab. Okay, so Matlab is a high performance technical computing language. It is a product of a company MathWorks of USA. Okay, it is a widely used programming language used by many research organizations and in industries and as well as in academics. Okay, the current version of Matlab is 2018. Here we are using a Matlab version 2014b. So what you are seeing here is known as Matlab Desktop. Okay, so this is known as command window. Okay, and here it is current folder which shows in which current directory we are working. Okay, and here uh, this is workspace which contains our variables which we will define here. And one more thing, uh, there is command history. This command history will keep track of the commands what we will be executing here. So here it is showing some previously used command by me. Okay, and you can see, and you can recall any command by just clicking here, or you can uh, copy any command from here also. Okay, now we are seeing here is Matlab prompt. Okay, this is known as Matlab prompt, and this blinking vertical line it shows that Matlab is ready to take input. Okay, and what you are seeing here, the sign greater than, this is known as Matlab prompt. Different languages uses different notation for the prompt. Now if you are not seeing this sign here, it means Matlab is not ready to take input. For example, if I give this here, for example, this means Matlab is busy uh, in computations. Okay, so if you want to break this operation, what you need to do, you need to press Ctrl plus C from keyboard. So by pressing Ctrl and C from the keyboard, this operation will break, and this prompt sign will be shown here again. Okay. Now in Matlab there are two commands, CLC, which will clear this command window. CLC. Now here uh, in workspace we have got this ANS or answer variable which has some values. If you want to clear this variable from memory, you need to use a clear command. Okay, and we can perform some simple calculations here, say 2 plus 3. So if you do not assign this value to any specific variable, this will be stored as a default variable answer in the workspace. Now you can assign a value to variable or declare a variable in this way. Suppose y equal to 10. So now y will be reflected here in the workspace. Suppose you call some variable z which is not defined yet, then Matlab will show an error here that undefined function or variable z. So let me assign some value to z. Now if you recall z, it will return its value z equal to 15. Okay, now you can clear any specific variable also. For example, you want to clear y from memory, you have to write clear y. So the y will be deleted from the workspace. Now you can see the details of the variables by command who. So it will show your variables are an answer and z. If you want detailed list. Now one more thing, if you want to recall previous command, you have to press this up arrow on keyboard and you can recall any command and you can also change there. Okay, suppose I want to change this command to whose, then it will give the details about the variables stored in memory and their size. Okay. Now, very important thing is the Matlab help. Many times we need to look for some help. Then you can go here and go to the Matlab help. So here is Matlab help. It is showing various toolboxes available in this current version. You might not get the same list in different version. So what is a toolbox? A toolbox is a collection of or say a collection of specific functions. For example, if you see this image processing toolbox, so it will contain some specific functions for processing images. Okay, now you may, if you want specific help, then you can search and see the details of this toolboxes. Okay, so here we stop.